Welcome to our channel, where we delve into the enchanting world of relationships and love. In this video, we explore the captivating topic of falling in love again, reigniting the passion in a long-term relationship. Join us as we uncover the secrets to rekindling the flame and reigniting the magic in your long-term love story. Is your relationship in need of a little boost? Are you longing to feel that same spark and excitement you felt when you first met your partner? You're not alone. Many couples find themselves in this phase, and that's why we're here to help. Remember to leave a comment below and share your thoughts and experiences. We loved hearing from you and engaging in meaningful conversations about love, relationships, and everything in between. Hit that subscribe button and let's begin this transformative journey together. How do you bring the spark back into a relationship? 7 tips. 1. Reminiscing. Revisiting your relationship roots can help rekindle the romance. In fact, new research shows that nostalgia is associated with greater relationship commitment, reported satisfaction, and a sense of closeness. When I meet with a couple for couples counseling, the first thing I always do is ask questions about the beginning of the relationship, says Amanda Baquero, a licensed marriage and family therapist in Coral Gables, Florida. To tap into nostalgia, Baquero suggests visiting the place you first met, your old favorite date spot, or looking through old photos together. It's not about reliving your honeymoon phase. It's about remembering what made you fall in love in the first place. Other tips include reading old chats or messages you exchanged during good times, making a list of all the things that brought you together, naming a few things your partner has done for you, listening together to your songs, revising your couple bucket list too. Focusing on communication. Good communication can help you clarify misunderstandings, let each other know how you feel and what you expect, and deepen your connection. All of these are key to rekindling love and trust. To bring the spark back into a relationship, you may want to start working on how to be a better listener and a more effective emotional speaker. 3. Bringing back the romantic gestures. Consider asking your partner how they like to be loved, or rather, what things make them feel loved and appreciated. Is it time with them? Maybe it's getting gifts once in a while. Perhaps they prefer you verbally express love. Using their love language can help bring you back together. Someone whose love language is words of affirmation may prefer receiving compliments or love letters, whereas someone who appreciates acts of service may feel loved when you complete a project around the house or cook them a meal. The 3 other love languages are receiving gifts, quality time, and physical touch. You may be surprised to find that your partner's love language is different than your own. Being loved in the way you appreciate the most may be one of the most important ways to rekindle a broken relationship. 4. Practicing gratitude. Oftentimes, when we are in a long-term relationship, we start to take each other for granted, Baquero says. One great way to reignite the spark in your relationship is to make time to practice gratitude with each other. Rather than simply saying thank you more often, consider taking note of actions your partner does that you appreciate. Then, try to share this gratitude verbally or in a note as often as you can. This practice not only makes your partner feel more appreciated and endeared toward you, but it also helps you grow your sense of gratitude organically. 5. Scheduling date nights. Many couples stop dating after moving in together or getting married because they no longer need to plan to see each other. But this may take away some of the excitement of spending time together. 6. Try new things together. If date nights become repetitive, Baquero recommends trying out a new hobby together. A great strategy to combat staleness in a relationship is to plan out and try new activities together, she says. After sharing a new experience, you may notice an increased level of closeness with your partner. Ideas include joining a sports team, taking a dance class, trying a new cuisine, redecorating, volunteering, going camping. Planning a weekend getaway. 7. Kissing more often. If you and your partner enjoyed kissing at the beginning of your relationship, making it a more common occurrence again could reignite romantic feelings. Kissing causes your brain to release oxytocin and serotonin, promoting bonding, as well as helping you relieve stress and anxiety. Continuing to hug, kiss, and snuggle is an important component of a healthy relationship and will increase the likelihood of remaining sexually active with your long-term partner, says Needle. Show your affection with hugs and kisses often, not always as a prelude to intercourse. When to seek help? It's common for long-term romantic partners to reach impasses in their relationships. Signs that you may benefit from seeking support from a mental health professional include: contact us at brand name Abondant Life today. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss an update from our channel.